Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Web Gear Review. I am your host, the Web Gear Guy, and today I want to take a look at and share with you an M-1941 mounted canteen cover right here. The nomenclature on this cover right here is cover canteen mounted M-1941. As with all of the World War II covers, no matter what style that you have, they were made bigger on the inside to help get the canteen cup in and out of these covers. They also all had this lifted up type fastener here, which began to be used in March of 1917, I believe. Now, this mounted canteen cover that you're looking at here, the M1941, was made to replace the old M1917 mounted canteen cover. So this cover here was the new and improved design of the old M1917 canteen cover. Notice it still has the gray wool inside it, okay, and I thought it had a date on it somewhere, but it's pretty well faded out there. You can't really see nothing on it. But anyway, this new design was the same as the old design with extra straps sewed on right here and here to help support this mounted cover here. Right? I mean, not to support the wire hanger right here, to which you could take the M1941 mounted canteen strap, which I don't have one available with me at this time, but anyway, it would hook on here, and then the strap would go up and it could be hooked onto the saddlebag. A new design feature on this canteen that was not on the other was that this 2-inch strap webbing you see here, notice it goes all the way down here. Notice they left a space here where you could slide a trouser belt on, and basically that made it where you could wear this canteen on your side without using the M19 type of hook there. Now, I want to address a misconception about this canteen cover here. There's a lot of people out there who have been misinformed about the M1941 mounted canteen cover. These covers were not designed for the airborne, nor were they used only by the airborne. There's a lot of people out there that this is an airborne cover, an airborne cover. No, this is a cavalry cover that was used by the airborne, and many other troops use these also, not only the airborne. But anyway, they were originally designed for the cavalry, not the airborne. These covers were issued to many different type troops throughout. There was infantry that carried these. There was airborne that carried these. There was cavalry that carried these. There were tankers who carried these type of canteen covers, and that is a big misconception. However, the airborne did use these a lot because they could clip them anywhere on their gear, and it did have a more support. But however, everybody was used what kind of covers they were allotted and issued. And let's also don't forget that the airborne used a lot of M1910 regular covers. But anyway, right here, these are some of the highly sought out canteen covers. And the reason is because most people think it's an airborne cover. They were used by the airborne, but they were also used by many other troops. Thanks for watching the Web Gear Review. If you get anything out of this, hit the thumbs up, and I would appreciate it if you'd share. Thank you.